The first thing we're going to start off doing is by getting to the library catalog. So I've just started here at the library website. I'm going to click on this front link that says search our library, and that should take us to where we need to go to start our search. So I'm going to click here into Central City K-12, and now here we're going to focus on just a keyword search. So you see that keyword is the first out of these 5 buttons here for searching. A keyword search is the most broad search, it's the biggest search, it searches through the most things. A keyword search searches through everything that's listed in the library record. So it searches the title, it searches the author, it searches the subject, it'll search the series, it searches any additional notes, it searches the book description. It will really search everything, which makes it the biggest search. So sometimes it's useful because it will find as many books as we have. Sometimes you don't want to use a keyword search, you'll want to use a more narrow search because it searches through a huge amount of things, and sometimes you get a bigger number than what you really want to look at. But we're going to look at the keyword search first. So the first thing we're going to do is just type in what we want to see if there's a book about. So I'm going to type in kidnap, because who doesn't like a good story about a kidnapping, right? So you can type in the word kidnap, you can press enter on your keyboard, or you can press this keyword button. I'm going to go ahead and press the keyword button. And here we have all the books that are about kidnapping in our library. So here it shows that there are 73 total books about kidnapping in our library. Right now we're looking at titles 1 through 25. To get to the multiple pages, you use these link buttons here to move through the pages. So right now we're sorted by relevance. It's a better idea to probably sort these by call number. So that's what I'm going to do. If you search by call number, then what that'll do, it'll put the nonfiction books first, the Dewey numbers, then it'll put the ebooks, and then it'll put the fiction books, the elementary fiction with just the call number of F, and then after those it'll put the high school fiction and the high school nonfiction. So if I go to the end, the last page, here's the high school fiction books. Okay, so it's easier to sort by call number if you know that you're looking for either a picture book or a chapter book or a high school book. That kind of helps sort them out. So I'm going to go ahead and look for one of these fiction chapter books, and then I'm going to click into it. So here's Artemis Fowl. I'm going to click into Artemis Fowl because nothing about the title tells me that this is about a kidnapping. So I'm going to click on that. Now here I can read the short description of the book and see that. That doesn't tell me anything about kidnapping, but then I go here down to the subject headings, and it says that this book is about fairies. It's also about a kidnapping, magic, mothers and sons, fantasy. So there's where the kidnapping comes in. Okay? So that tells me a little bit about what this book is about. And that is about as easy as a basic keyword search is.